Okay, JR and Bros. Give you an update on what I'm doing on the derby car here. Basically making my own boxed in center section frame like a convertible. Made this cutout perfect where I can slide this cross member just enough to get it out without making the hole too big. You can see where I've cut that section out. I'll need to grind those welds along here just so they're not really seen, but then this will all really be covered, but I'll make a plate in there because that's basically where my door bars are going to be, or actually my dash bar. There's a bar going to come up and the dash bar will go across, tie everything in over here with that plate off. You can see what else I did. This piece here angled that way, welded all the way across here, welded up this there, and of course that's why I cut this out so I could, because if you remember, there's a piece that goes across here, and one that goes up there. There's also another one back here, all welded to this plate going across, and now this piece is welded like that. I went this way. You might think that, yeah, normal gussets be stronger that way, but if this frame were to bend, which more likely it's not gonna, because there's also gonna be a plate like this on top filling this whole area all the way back to that body mount, so it really won't bend. But if it were to bend, it would bend, because if this piece was the other way, it's easier to crush metal than having it this way than it is to stretch it and pull it. So that's why the gusset is basically, technically that would be upside down if you're gusseting any other structure building like a wall, but since all the force is going to want to go that way it won't get crushed. That's as far as I've gotten so far. I'm trying to right now just cut the pieces. I want to cut all these pieces. I figure if I do all the tedious work, the welding's nothing. So hopefully I'll get this damn thing done. Can't put these in until I finish. I got to start on this section, pitting all my metal all the way to the back, and then once all that's tied in, then I can weld this piece in. Might have to do a little grinding and fitting. And add the notch around this body mount. But other than that, I'll do some grinding and fitting so it'll make nice. Weld it on the top, weld it in the bottom. I won't be able to do the bottom welds until I flip the frame over. I'll have to tack it so it don't move, but can't do any serious welding till then. And should be pretty stout. I copied this. There was just happened to be a convertible frame on eBay, so I copied the design of it. So some cars are boxed in the middle, some Cadillacs and that, so no one's gonna know though. Yeah, that I can hopefully get started working on back here. And then, well, yeah, I'll still have to flip it over and weld all the seams. I got all the seams welded to here too. I finished all that. All I have to do is down here, which is a bare on the cross member, and I won't be able to do that until I flip it over. And of course all the bottom pieces. There's a couple pieces I want to put in up here like I've showed you. Just haven't got to doing that yet, but I will. But that's all small stuff I could always do. I want to get this big stuff out of the way so I can make some progress. Need to get that rear end. I need a piece machined on that. Need to get to the shop so I can get this thing. Once I get it rolling, I can go pick up the body and woohoo. But I thought I'd let you give you an update on cheating the frame. See ya.